Hi, I'm Dr. Makin, founder of the Health and Wellness Institute of Utah. In this clip, I'm going to be talking about whether or not all chiropractors are the same.
Here's what you'll learn. There are different specialties and techniques within the chiropractic profession. Different doctors have different personalities and therefore may influence or change the way you view a particular profession because of the doctor's personality. And as in any profession, no two doctors are the same. Okay, so this is a topic that I discuss a lot with patients, that chiropractors, just like medical doctors, specialize in different areas. For example, these are some of the most common. Sports medicine. Sports medicine chiropractors are going to focus more on athletes and muscles and joints and some of the things that very active lifestyles or athletes are going to be looking for. Pediatrics focuses more on babies, pregnant women, and young children. Applied kinesiology, that is a muscle testing technique that allows the practitioner to identify what's causing a problem and what's going to fix it. Clinical acupuncture, clinical nutrition, clinical neurology, scoliosis, homeopathy, orthopedics, internal medicine, and many more. Let's also talk about the techniques as well. Here are some of the most common techniques. Diversified adjusting. That is probably the most commonly recognized chiropractic adjusting technique. That is the technique where a chiropractor uses his hands to make the adjustment. There's also instrument adjusting, which uses the latest technology in instruments, which also give the adjustment to the spine or body. Table assisted adjusting, muscle testing, leg length checks, upper cervical only, decompression therapy, physical therapy. Many people don't realize this, but chiropractors are exceptionally trained in physical therapy. They have the added bonus of being able to adjust the bones and the knowledge of working with the bones and the biomechanics of the joints as well as the muscles. Extremity adjusting, extremity arms, legs, hands, feet, ankles, and many, many more techniques. Okay, so let's discuss how different doctors have different personalities. The bottom line here is you need to find somebody that feels right for you. There are lots of different techniques out there. Some doctors may be very jovial, some may be very serious. Bottom line, you need to find somebody that you feel comfortable with. Don't give up on a profession or whether it's medical, dental, chiropractic, massage, physical therapy. Don't give up on a profession just because you may or may not like a particular personality or a particular doctor. Shop around and find someone that feels right to you. Another aspect that we need to talk about is no two doctors are the same, even within the same profession. And this is why. Different doctors have different specialties I talk about. In my office, we tend to focus more on athletes and sports medicine and muscle testing and acupuncture. Also, different techniques, skills, and equipment will make a big difference. Some doctors are very old school and like to use just their hands, and they do a great job at it. Some doctors like to use very high-tech equipment. So, depending on the techniques, skills, and equipment that you find with that doctor, you may or may like or dislike some of the things that he does. Also, as we discussed before, different personalities will influence that and how well you interact with them. And last but not least, different backgrounds and experience. We all come from different backgrounds and have different experiences. My background and my experiences were deeply rooted in sports, and so that's why I love to treat athletes and work with muscles and joints and helping athletes recover faster and also improve sports performance. Some doctors may have a certain specialty with working with geriatrics or elderly people because of their background or their experience. All chiropractors are trained to treat the spine and to treat the body as a whole and to heal, but no two doctors are the same. So bottom line, the best thing is find a doctor who offers a free consultation. That way you can have a no-risk, free opportunity to meet the doctor, learn about his skills and some of the things that he has to offer, see how well you like him, and shop around. If you love him, great, stick with him. If you want to look at another chiropractor, then go that route. Bottom line, all doctors, whether they're chiropractors, physical therapists, all have one goal, and that is to get you feeling better. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you got a lot of value out of today's presentation. If you have any further questions, or if we can ever assist you, especially in our clinic, please give us a call at 801-709-9797, or you can go to our website here. Thanks, and God bless.